So what will be the measure of angle RTQ?
105 degree.
105 degrees.
5 degrees. Corresponding angles. Anyone with questions or any doubt in this part in first question?
No, ma'am.
Question number 2. In figure number 1, you are given a circle with center O. Angle OAB is 30 degrees. OCB is 57 degrees. You have to find out BOC and AOC. These are the two angles you require to find out. To find out BOC, you can work with triangle BOC. In order to find out angle BOC, work with triangle BOC, identify. O is the center, B and C are points on the circumference. So OC and OB will be equal. This is an isosceles triangle. Triangle BOC is isosceles. That means the angles opposite to equal sides will be equal. This angle will also be 57 degrees. And then you apply angle sum property. You can obtain angle BOC. Can you tell me what will be the measure for angle BOC?
66 degrees.
66 degrees.
66 degree.
All right. Let's now find out angle AOC. To find out this angle, I would like to find out angle AOB. This whole angle. Angle AOB निकाल सकते हैं हम from triangle AOB, and then we can subtract the measure of angle BOC from angle AOB. Angle AOB, let's say it's angle number 1 and BOC is angle number 2. So angle AOC की value मिलेगी angle 1 minus angle 2 से. Angle 2 आप already निकाल चुके हो 66 degrees. आपको angle 1 find out करना है और उसके लिए हम triangle AOB consider करेंगे. Similar concept, AOB is isosceles because OA and OB are the radii of circle. These two will be equal, and then you can apply angle sum property. आपके पास ये triangle बन रहा है. The angle OAB is given as 30 degrees. OA and OB are equal. So the angles opposite to equal sides will be equal. You can find out this angle from here.
120 degrees.
120
degrees. So angle 1
54
is
degrees,
120. From here you can find out angle AOC.
54 degree.
Angle AOC will be 120 minus 66 degrees, 54 degrees. Anyone with questions? Anyone with any doubts in this particular question?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hanji Taran?
मैम दोनों एंगल जो गिवन है क्वेश्चन में वो एक और सबटेंड कर रही है, फिर उन दोनों के मेजर्स क्यों अलग हैं?
The angles are not subtended.
दोनों का बेस OB है.
The base is OB, but it's not a chord. The result is applicable to a chord. OB is the radius. The angle subtended by the same chord on the circumference have the equal measures. But यहाँ पे आपको दिख रहा है कि जो base बन रहा है वो OB बन रहा है. If OB had been the chord, तब इनके measures match करने थे. OB is not the chord, it's the radius of the circle. Radius पे वो result apply नहीं होता.
Okay, ma'am.
Question number 3. This one's actually easier compared to the first and the second one. You are given a circle with center O. BD is equal to DC. Angle DBC is 30 degrees. That's already given to you. You have to find out the measures of angle BAC and BOC. This is the angle you want to find out, BAC and BOC. So I would like to work with the triangle in which I have one interior angle and two sides are equal. I'm going to begin with triangle BDC. This triangle is isosceles. Start with this triangle. From this triangle, apply the similar results you did in question number 2. Sides equal हैं, तो इनके opposite angles equal होंगे. This angle will also be 30 degrees. From here, you can find out angle BDC.
120 degrees.
120 degrees.
120.
Now, ABDC is a cyclic quadrilateral. all the four vertices are on the circumference. Point A, B, D, and C are on the circumference. So this quadrilateral is a cyclic quadrilateral. The sum of the opposite angles will be 180 degrees. From there, you can find out angle BAC. It will be equal to,
60 degrees.
60 degrees.
60 degrees.
and after this, you can apply your degree measure theorem. Degree measure theorem says that angle BOC is twice angle BAC. This will be 120 degrees. If anyone wants me to write down the answer, let me know. I can write down the answer quickly so that it's easier for you to, know what I'm saying here. I'm just helping you out with some clues. Maybe you've already done.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone with any doubt here in this particular question? Question number 3. Question number 4. In the given figure 3, this figure is given to you. BC is the diameter of circle with center O. Angle BAO is 65 degrees. Find angle AOC and ADC. Actually, DC is not joined, so you would like to just join this. These are the two angles you want to find out. Again, start with the triangle in which you have an interior angle. Start with triangle OAB. What can you say about this triangle?
Isosceles
an
triangle.
isosceles triangle.
Again,
OA and
an
OB are
isosceles
equal.
triangle, the
OA and
angles
OB are the
opposite to equal
radius.
sides will be
Diagonal.
equal. From here, you can find out angle AOC, exterior angle property. You could either use exterior angle property or you could do it in two steps. Apply angle sum property, find out AOB, and then find out AOC by applying linear pair result. Or you can directly find out AOC. This is an exterior angle of the triangle. So this will be equal to 130 degrees. And then you can apply degree measure theorem. Arc AC is subtending angle AOC at the center, ADC at the circumference. What will be the measure of angle ADC?
65 degrees.
Now here,
65
Taran,
degrees.
beta, you can use the same result which you were saying. If we join AC, अगर हम AC को join करते हैं, then you have angles in the same segment. AC is your chord. AC is making angle ABC on the circumference and ADC on the circumference. These two will be equal. Any doubts? Anyone with any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Fifth question, figure number 4. O is the center. BD is equal to OD. CD is perpendicular to AB. AB is the diameter. Find angle CAB and find angle BCD. Now, there could be more than one ways possible to do this question. Observe the triangle in which you have two equal sides. This particular triangle.
It is
It is an
equilateral triangle.
equilateral triangle.
This is an equilateral
Equilateral.
triangle. BD is given equal to OD. This is given to us, but OD is equal to OB. These are the radii of the circle. So this triangle becomes equilateral, which makes each angle of this triangle equals to 60 degrees.
60 degrees.
Now, just observe which one will be useful in order to find out the others.
Angle BOD and angle BCD. Degree
That's
measure
right.
theorem.
Angle BOD will be equal to twice angle BCD. This is our degree measure theorem. From here, angle BCD. This comes out to be 30 degrees,
30 degrees.
right? Now we are left with just this angle. How would you find out this one?
Angle BAC equals to angle BDC.
That's right. How would you find out angle BDC?
Ma'am, as
In triangle
CD is
DEB.
perpendicular to OP, it is also acting as an angle bisector there, so angle BDC will be 30 degrees.
In a triangle DEB, we can apply the angle sum property.
That's right. Okay, let's just go over this answer again. Let me know if this is clear. यहाँ तक हमारे पास ये triangle है. I'll just write down, if you want, you can note this down. BD is given equal to OD, but OD is equal to OB. These are the radii of the same circle. So OB, OD and BD are equal, which make your triangle BOD equilateral triangle. So this means angle BOD, angle OBD and angle ODB is equal to 60 degrees each. You need not write like in detail, you could simply write down this, then the fact that the triangle is equilateral and each angle will be equal to 60 degrees. You can just mention the ones which you require. If you don't want to write down all of 3 equal to 60 degrees, that's completely fine. You can just mention the ones which you require for your next step. All right. After this, we focus on the the angles that we want to find out and see if any of them is related to the ones whose value we just calculated. हमारे पास अब इन 3 angles का measure है. इनकी help से हम वो angles निकालना चाहते हैं जो हमें यहाँ पूछे गए हैं. So if I focus on chord BD, this chord is making one angle at the center at point O. That I have 60 degrees. The same chord is making an angle on the circumference. So if you have an arc or a chord which makes an angle at the center and the same chord makes an angle on the circumference, you can apply degree measure theorem. You can write down arc BD subtends angle BOD at the center and it subtends angle BCD at the circumference. So here you can apply degree measure theorem. The central angle will be equal to twice the angle at the circumference. So just writing down that result, you will have angle BOD equals to twice angle BCD. BOD की value हमारे पास अभी 60 degrees है, अभी हमने निकाला है 60 degrees equal to twice angle BCD. From here, angle BCD comes out to be 60 by 2, which is 30 degrees. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now we want to find out angle BAC. For that, you could either start by taking this triangle. Let me just clear this out. Now we want to find out this angle. We have the measures of these. These are 60, 60, and 60 degrees. This we just calculated as 30 degrees. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So you can either start by taking this triangle over here, the little triangle BED, and you can apply angle sum property in order to find out angle BDE. I'll just highlight that triangle. हम इस ट्राइंगल पे काम कर सकते हैं। इस ट्राइंगल में आपके पास यहाँ पे 90 डिग्री एंगल बन रहा है, एक एंगल 60 डिग्रीज है, आप ये एंगल फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो बाय यूजिंग एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी।
30 degrees.
Right? This will come out
30
to be 30
degrees.
degrees. Right? From,
Yes, ma'am.
yes. After this,
Angle BDC is equals to angle BAC.
that's right. अब अगर हम फोकस करें इस chord पे, chord BC पे, chord BC is making an angle at point D on the circumference and another at A. Taran, in order to prove, you will have to show that CD is actually bisecting angle BDO. First of all, you'll have to prove that. आपको प्रूव करना पड़ेगा कि वो बाइसेक्ट कर रहा है, उसके बाद आप फिर वो 30 डिग्रीज लिख सकते हो. You cannot assume it. You can
Ma'am,
prove.
but in an
Yes, you can
in an
actually.
equilateral triangle, the
we can say
perpendicular
that
bisector
it is
and
an
angle
equilateral,
bisector are
so
Yeah, you can write that and then
Yes,
you
ma'am.
can. Yes, you can proceed with your way. Fine. I told you like there are multiple methods to do this question. I actually did it completely in a different way. मैंने पहले find out किया था AOD. मैंने ये angle find out किया था by linear pair. पहले मैंने ये find किया था, इसकी help से मैंने ये वाला angle find out किया था डिग्री मेजर थ्योरम से. फिर मैंने ACE में angle sum property apply की थी. So that's also one way of doing it. So observe and see which properties are applicable. It completely depends on your observation and interpretation. Geometry में जब भी application के questions आएंगे, there would be more than one way to do it in many questions. So just observe. So the way, the method which Saloni suggested, Taran suggested, and both are correct. Both are completely correct. And I did a completely different method. Like मैंने बिल्कुल different किया था. So you can just go with any one. Right now we are just considering this, that chord BC is subtending one angle and the circumference at point D. एक angle बन रहा है BDC. So this angle, the one we just calculated as 30 degrees. Same chord एक और angle बना रही है circumference पे. So अगर same chord circumference पे दो angles subtend कर रही है, तो वो दोनों angles equal होंगे. एक यहाँ पे बन रहा है और एक इधर बन रहा है. Angles in the same segment, these two will be equal. So you just calculated this one as 30 degrees, angle BAC will also be 30 degrees. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone with any
Yes, ma'am.
any questions about what we did here?
No, ma'am.
You have objective type questions. These questions carry like 1 mark, so these will be very short answer type questions. In case अगर आपका proof बहुत लंबा बन रहा है, do check. Objective type questions are like very short answer type questions, so आपका proof ज़्यादा लंबा नहीं होना चाहिए. Question number 6 figure is given here. AB is chord of the circle. The center is O, and as you can see, PQ is the diameter. You're given that POQ equals to twice AB. This is actually line segment. Line segment का name इस तरह से लिखा हुआ है. POQ is equal to twice AB. Since PQ is the diameter, this is the diameter. This is equal to twice AB.
AB becomes radius.
This implies
Yes,
AB
ma'am.
is equal to diameter by 2, which actually is the radius of the circle. That would make triangle AOB an equilateral triangle.
Each
Mm,
angle
AOB
will be
60
60
degree.
And
degrees.
from here,
AOB is equals to 60 degree.
from here, angle AOB will be equal to 60 degrees. Question number 7th, figure 7. You're given two circles with centers P and Q. The circles are intersecting at two distinct points, points R and S. You have to prove angle PRQ is equal to angle PSQ. These two angles are equal. You want to prove angle 1 equal to angle 2. And you are given a clue here, join PQ, sorry, this is PQ. You want to join the centers of the two circles. You will obtain two triangles. And these two triangles can actually be proved congruent to each other.
By SSS.
By
Yes,
SSS. There is a common side for the two triangles. PR and PS are equal. These are the radii of the same circle. QR and QS are the radii of the circle with center Q. And hence you will have your angle 1 equal to angle 2 by CPCT. Question number 8. In the given figure, OAB is 40, find ACB. This one's actually very easy. So triangle AOB, this will be isosceles. From here, when you apply angle sum property, you will be able to find out angle AOB.
100 degrees.
And then you can apply degree measure theorem.
Angle ACB is 50
50
degrees.
degree.
Angle
50 degree.
ACB comes out to be 50 degrees. Question number 9th, figure number 8. O is the center of the circle. The center is here. Please don't confuse it with the point of intersection. Angle ABC is given as 55 degrees. What will be the measure of angle ADC?
55 degrees.
55 degrees.
55
Angle
degrees.
is the
I
same
understand
segment.
that
Angles in the same segment.
framework.
That's right. Now, questions like these, where you just give your answer in one single step, that angle ABC and ADC are equal, I advise you to give the reason as well. Do give the reason जहां पे आपका आंसर एक ही स्टेप में आ गया, angle ADC is equal to 55 degrees. These two are equal because these are the angles in the same segment. Question number 10th. In this figure, figure number 9, you can see O is the center of the circle. You could name the points if you want. Let's name this arc as AB. AB is subtending angle AOB as 70 degrees. There are two angles on the circumference. Let's name the points as C and D. You want to find out the measure of angle Y.
35 degrees.
35 degrees.
Angle ADB twice will be equal to angle AOB. Degree measure theorem. From here, you can find out angle ADB. Question
Ma'am,
number.
but we are not given as O as the center of the circle.
I think it actually is missing here. It should look like O is the center. Otherwise, you cannot find out why. वो figure में भी नजर नहीं आ रहा, but it should be indicated. वो by default हम ले लेते हैं. Mostly, like ये by default हम लेके चलते हैं कि अगर आपके पास figure बनी हुई है and there is a point marked inside unless it's mentioned that it is not the center, हम assume ही कर लेते हैं. But I would actually get back to the teacher who has set the assignment to ensure that whether the statement is incomplete or that is what's just given. But you could just, keep in mind कि जब exam में question आएगा वहाँ पे लिखा होगा that O is the center. Otherwise, obviously, there would be confusion.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. In case you have a figure like this where you are not sure that this particular point is the center or not, you can just ask your examiner to help you confirm with your math teacher, any of the math teachers.
Okay, ma'am.
Question number 11th. O is the center of the circle here. You are given angle OAB as 30 degrees, angle OCB as 40 degrees. You want to find out angle AOC. Now again, इस question को करने के भी बहुत सारे ways हैं. The easiest which I thought of was by considering the two triangles separately. Triangle AOB is isosceles. This triangle is isosceles because OA and OB are equal. So this angle here will be 30 degrees. Considering triangle BOC, this one again will be isosceles. OC and OB will be equal. These are the radii of the circle. So angle OBC will be 40 degrees. Now, if I have the same circle, you have arc AC subtending angle AOC at the center and ABC on the circumference. This angle is 70 degrees. Now you can find out angle AOC.
140 degrees.
140
That's what will
degrees.
be 140 degrees. That completes your assignment. Remember, you will have test of chapter number 11, constructions, and chapter number 15, probability, on Thursday during your class. Beta, reflex angle AOC will be, if your angle AOC has a measure less than 180 degrees, then you can find out the remaining part of that angle. आपके पास यहाँ पे अगर हम ये angle find out करते हैं, ये reflex angle होगा. You can also find this out by applying angle sum property. जब आपने ये रिजल्ट अप्लाई किया कि आपके टू ट्राइंगल्स आइसोसेलेस हैं, आप ये एंगल्स कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो यहाँ पे by using angle sum property in individual triangles, and then from 360 degrees you can subtract this. You will be able to find out AOC. I think you have your next class. The test will be during your class on Thursday.
Okay, ma'am.
Beta, is it clear? You were asking
Thank
about
you,
reflex
ma'am.
angle. Okay, all right. God bless you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.